welcome back to another exciting day at the Race to 1000, where my goal is to help a minimum of 1,000 people create a minimum of $1,000. And I don't know about you, but I could always do with an extra $1,000. Before I get there, today's message, just a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. Investing in any investment platform, whether it be in real estate, mutual funds, anything, including cryptocurrencies, has a risk, and I make no income guarantees or no success guarantees, and you alone are responsible for your decisions. What I am doing is I'm sharing with you some platforms and tools that I have used to create my own successes, and you can choose to use them as you wish, or not use them as you wish. So I make no income guarantees, no success guarantees. Do not borrow money to invest. Do not sell products like the house or the kids' school funds or anything like that. And don't ever invest any more money than you can afford to lose. And also know that if you do take part in some of these programs, I will get a referral commission. And in fact, that's one of the things we're going to be talking about today is referrals. So we've already discussed, let's just go back over what we have discussed. Let me just close this tab. We started off the program with Crypto Browser, and I showed you how to set up Crypto Browser in an earlier video, and also how to get referrals and affiliate commissions from Crypto Browser. And we set up your Bitcoin wallet with blockchain.com. This is where you can ultimately store all of your Bitcoin. We also set up CoinPop in the following video, which is a mini exchange where we're going to share and send all of our Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dodge, Lite, and Dash in the video that I made. This was my last video. I showed you how to make these coins, and we feed it into CoinPop. It all gets converted into Bitcoin here, which I'm going to show in the next video. And then we send it to the Bitcoin wallet, and then we're going to go into paid platforms. So what we're doing right now is a free strategy using free programs and free tools so that we can, over time, generate enough money to get launched into paid platforms. Is that exciting? Good. And if you're not excited, pretend to be excited. Okay? So going back to the Moon Bitcoin platforms, yesterday or in the last video, I showed you how to access the 5 platforms which are known as Moon Bitcoin Cash, Moon Dodge, Moonlight, Moon Dash. And we're right now we're looking at the Moon Bitcoin page. And if you want to access all of these videos that I've just been speaking about, if you're in YouTube watching this and go down beneath this video, click on subscribe, and you will be able to get access to the channel and see all of the videos. And if you click on the little bell beside the subscribe button, you will also be able to get notified as soon as I upload a video. And give me a like. I would really appreciate if you could give me a like on the video. And feel free to share this with as many people as you want, because it'd be great if we can make money ourselves, but also help other people to make money as well. Would that be cool, or would that be cool? Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you, I'm going to run through again how to claim on these platforms, and I'm also going to show where you will find your referral link that you can give to your friends. And I have a very good reason for you starting to get referrals. In CryptoTab, if we just go back to CryptoTab, and if you see I've got CryptoTab running here, and I'm using the CryptoTab browser to make these videos so that I'm actually getting paid while we're doing all of this. Up here I've got 113 referrals. Now these are all people I don't know. I have no idea who these 113 are, but it would be very good if we can start to build teams of people that we know for a future project. So I have another project that we're going to do in the future where it would be really good for you to have a few people around you. And I'm not talking, you don't need to go and get 100 people or anything like that, or 1,000 people. If you can get, 4 to 10 people working with you on this particular platform, it would be very, very beneficial for you. So right now, if you could get a little team together, you go and start your own crypto team on Facebook and get a few people into it, and then start organizing conversations and talking to them and building relationships with them. This will come in really handy in the future, because if you can start helping people make money in crypto right now, when we go to the paid platforms and you've got a team of say 10 or 20 people with you, you're going to be awesome. You're going to rock it. So start thinking about who you can invite to be with you. And, people with entrepreneurial mindsets are very good. People who, if any of your friends ever say, I don't have any money, well, this would be a really good way to help them out. So I'll talk about this more in another video, but let me just go over what I want to share with you today. So first of all, let's do a claim. So it's 1 hour and 13 minutes since I did a claim. I've got 16 Satoshi to claim right now. And as you can see up here, I've got 31,640 Satoshi, which is right now today's present rate, which is December 26, 2018. This is actually worth about $1.50. So it's not going to make me a multi-millionaire on this page, but if you've ever heard of compounding, well, that's a very interesting topic, and we'll talk about that another day. So let's just come down to the claim button. Click on the claim button, fill in the text here, whatever it says for you, sausages, and then click on submit. And we'll wait for it to refresh, and you will see that this has gone up by the appropriate amount, and I've now got no Satoshi, and I need to wait at least 5 minutes before claiming. I generally wait about an hour. I have a little alarm going. And down here you can see I've got 16 Satoshi, 49% daily bonus, which I explained yesterday. All these bonuses I explained in the last video. 1% referral bonus. I've actually got 2 referrals at the moment. I have not been building referrals in this, but I'm starting to right now. I've got 2 referrals. One hasn't clicked today yet. So you get 1% for every referral up to 100%. And then I got a 36% mystery bonus. So my 16 Satoshi became 30 Satoshi. So that's cool. I like that. And it goes into my CoinPod account. Now, you want to start sharing this with your friends because you get a cut of everything they do. So if you click on the little refer button just here, it will open up a little pop-up. And you see it says 50% lifetime commission and up to 100% claim bonus. So if you share this with your friends, and you'll see that you have a link here. Okay, so this is my link. Please don't use this unless you want all of your friends to give me money. Use your link. Okay, and it explains down here the referral bonuses. And if you scroll down the page a little bit, let me just close this instead. You can see here you can actually promote this on Facebook and Twitter. And if you click on one of these little advertising banners, another page will open, and you will see here that you can use this in your social media. Okay, but I think the most powerful way is just literally to take this link and send it to your friends and say, hey friend, let's make Bitcoin together. Okay, so this is where you'll find all the information about your referrals, just on the top here. Now I'm going to go over to the Moon Bitcoin.cash faucet. I'm going to go and get my Bitcoin Cash. And in the same way as you did yesterday, this little pop-up window pops up. You just close it and then click on, and you see how sometimes it refreshes the page. This is just one of those things we have to put up with. The whole platform's built on advertising, and this is the way they make their money, through advertising. It is annoying, but that's the price we pay for free programs. So you just go back to Bitcoin.cash faucet, click on close, claim now, over there, claim, okay, and the 236 Bitcoin Cash became 526, which is very cool. And again, if you go to referrals, just at the top of the page, if you click on that, you'll see pretty much the same. Here's my link here. You'll find your link in the same place. Again, don't use my link. And an explanation of all the bonuses and everything. And you'll see all the banners as well here. Is that cool? Cool. Next, I go to Moon Dodge and do exactly the same thing. there's your refer information. So you'll find your referral link here. Okay, there you go. And then on this one, I've got 0.09 Dogecoin coming. Claim now. It's super effective. Okay, and I've now got 14.66 Dogecoin. So that's that done. Your referral link is up here at the top of the page again. Now I go to Moonlight. moonlightco.in. And if you want to know how to sign up to all these programs, then just watch the video. The last video is the one I produced yesterday. It explains how to sign up. So click on claim. I am not a robot. At least I think I'm not. Okay, and then click on submit. I got my Moonlight. Your referral link is here again. Okay, up here, it gives you all the information. And then lastly, I go to Moon Dash Faucet. So you can see how quick it takes to do this. So another window will come up. Click on close. Click on claim now. Type in the code. Claim. And my 494 dash became 751. And again, just the same as before, there's your referral link. Okay, and you just send this link to your friends, whatever it is there. Okay, so that's how you start increasing your returns on the Moon Bitcoin sites. And what I've been doing up to now, and I've been waiting to launch this program basically. What I've been doing so far is I've just been building my own income passively, but now I'm going to start sharing it with other people. So I've created this series of videos to do exactly that. I'm now going to start building a referral list and a referral team, and I'm going to put them into a Facebook group as well. In fact, what's one of the things I'm going to do next for you guys is build a Facebook group and bring you all in it so you can ask questions within the group. Okay, so there's just a reminder of how to claim on the Moon sites. And I did say yesterday I was going to talk to you about referrals, so I've done that today. So any questions about any of this, just put a message in the box beneath this. And then tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to take your earnings from these 5 sites, how we take them from CoinPot, convert them into Bitcoin, and then after that, I'll show you how to do a withdrawal. So have a great day. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Share this on Facebook with your friends if you want, so they can help them understand as well what we have to do. And don't forget to click on the bell so that you can be notified every time I submit a video. All right, have a great day and enjoy life, and let's make money.